guys, today I'll show you how to create Telegram bots on PC. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe for more Telegram tutorials. So here you have the Telegram BotFather. So here to create a bot, you just need to type in /new bot or webhook to create a new bot and /my bots to the tier bot. So if you want to create a game bot, just head over to /my games. For example, this will create you a new bot and name it bot here. My bot, for example, this would create you a bot. In games niche, you can create a /my apps, a data web apps. So this is it. But thanks to create as a token bot, just type in /token to get the utilization token. So these are bots that are available in Telegram PC. Delete. So delete mod to delete your bot. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you find it, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.